Okay, I'm back for another one on this thing. So what I did was I pulled out that Chevy 400 I had in here in the turbo 350 transmission, and I sold it, got rid of it because we're gonna get ready for that LS swap. So these here are the 6-cylinder perches that were in here for the 250 or whatever was in this damn thing. And this here is the cross member for, this is where the bell housing mounts. So your front of your engine mounts here, and then this is where your bell housing mounts, right here, through here and here. This piece is held on by rivets. I don't know if you can see that. There's a rivet there, there's another one there, and then same deal on the bottom. 4 rivets there, 4 rivets there. I want this cross member gone. We're not going to be attaching anything to a bell housing, and honestly it makes it kind of difficult to get the motor and transmission in here. Not impossible, but it would be easier without that there. So I am going to get you guys set up, and I'll rip that guy out of there. I'll get you set up in one of those clear cases, because I've pretty much had it with replacing GoPros because of grinders. I've replaced a lot of GoPros because I can't be trusted with a grinder. Let me get you set up on tripod. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lop this off here and here. And then same thing on this side. Then I'll get in with the grinder and just clean up those rivets. So let's see if I can lop this thing off. Okay, so if you wanted to leave it like this, you could. If you wanted to get in tighter, you probably could. But I'm going to lop these off anyway. So I'm just going to get in here with the grinder and try and lop that off a little nicer on both sides. And I'll just stick you up here. Alright, well, we're almost out of battery. I think I'm going to just actually trim it short like that and just leave it. It's out of the way, that's fine. This side I have to go back and trim it a little shorter, but I think that's all I'm going to do. Trim it short with the grinder and then leave it. I'm fine with that. Like the way that looks, I'm okay with it. I'm just going to leave that. It's up inside the frame there, and it's up inside the frame there. So it's no longer in the way. It's not really what I wanted to do. I wanted to like pop off those rivets, but you know, if I had a hoist or a better angle at this to get underneath with that, but I'm not interested. I'm fine with that. So that's what I did. If you want to take it further, you could knock the rivets off. Be a nice and even cleaner removal, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to leave it just like that. Well, that side I'll go fix. This side, that's what we got. That's what we're going to stay with. As some of you know, I'm just preparing for the LS swap, which will probably be happening in the next couple days. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. I'm going to take you over to the auto wreckers. We're going to remove an LS and we're going to drop it in this thing, all in like 2 days. So hang tight. It's all coming together.